All right. Action.
in the pear, right?
Look at her. Look, Achladi's pear. Come look at your daughter. Says, oh, I like the nectarine better.
Yeah.
It's softer.
She likes the
Oh, look at her. She only has 2 teeth on
I
the
don't
top.
think it's sweet. I think it's sour.
And that's okay. She likes sour. Don't call it tacky. Uh-oh. Yeah, I get it.
Uh-oh.
Really.
Mama?
Then can we, is there a picture we could put up on the frame with her eating the cake? She's going down like that. I have to have one. Right? Or can we, just a picture? We have to print one of those. Can we do that? That's priceless. I'm glad I got to see it live and alive. Watching that on a video is just not the same as being here. You'll have much more fun eating when you have a lot more teeth. Well, naprawdę najcięższe na to skillas och brinker vi fisk rätt också. Det är en lång pasta. It's good. Eleni, my mom? Eleni.
Mamam, Eleni-chan. Mamam.
My mom. Oh, thank you.